Hey everyone, what's up? It is the 30th of May 2023, and it is your good friend Jack here back again with another Wax Daily video brought to you by Wax School in EOS Dublin. We got plenty of drops happening today on the Wax blockchain, so let's fire straight into it and let's start off with Zombiecoin. Zombiecoin is an NFT mining, exploring, and farm game on the Wax blockchain, and today they have their ZBC burn event. If you're participating in the event, let us know what you think. Maybe that's dropping it in the comments tomorrow or today even. And if you want more information on the ZBC Burn event, make sure to check out their Twitter. Straight up after that, we got a project we've mentioned a few times in the videos before, Univertrix, back again with regular drops, but today they have a unique pack drop. So there's only 6 of these packs dropping today. They are of limited edition, limited availability. And if you are a Univertrix fan, or you need to have these in your collection, make sure to follow closely for that drop happening today to be one of the lucky 6 who are going to get their hands on one of their unique packs. Straight up after that, we've got Starcards, crypto NFTs on the Wax blockchain, and they're releasing some AI generated artwork today for free, and that artwork is part of a collection called Dystopian Reloaded. The artwork looks pretty cool. Like I said, it is AI generated, and the NFTs are being released for free on the Wax blockchain. So make sure to check that out if you're a fan of Starcards. Up after that, we've got CryptoFlash. Best way to describe CryptoFlash is tattoo style artwork on the Wax blockchain. They have their barbed wire heart NFT going out for sale today, which I believe it is drop 2 of set 19. It is an animated NFT. And if you are a collector of CryptoFlash NFTs, make sure to check that out today. We'll keep moving on. And we have Robert Bohn releasing Bonehead 124 today. Hopefully this loads up quick. We have covered a little bit on Robert Bohn and his Bonehead collection before. But like I said, he's releasing Bonehead number 124 today. That is happening on the Wax blockchain. Check out his artwork, robertbohnart.com. And if it gives me, come on, load for me. It'll load up here. We'll be able to see the NFT just before we move on to the next project. The big reveal happening in 3, 2, 1. And there we go. Pretty cool. Looks like artwork in the style of Rick and Morty, which is no surprise considering Robert has worked with the studio that make the Rick and Morty series himself. It's the type of artwork that I really am a fan of. So check that out today. And last but very not least, we have the Chair Universe releasing Coding Chair today. They seem to do unique drops every week, and we do like to pick them up in the video. If you are a fan of the Chair Universe or Chair, make sure to head on over and check out Coding Chair releasing today on the Wax blockchain. So while we get that loaded up, I'd just like to say thanks to everyone who's followed or has listened to the videos, given some feedback on them so far. Like I said, the videos aren't anything without the community behind them, and I do really appreciate all the support we have gotten. The videos are going to continue to keep coming, so whether you like it or not, you're stuck with me. Anyway, have a good day. It's your good friend Jack here, signing off. EOS Dublin and Wax School. Have a great Tuesday, everyone. Wax on.